So good morning students. Today we read surface area of a cuboid, cube and a cylinder. The surface area of a cuboid means cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. The three-dimensional figure or 3D figure means which figure have length, breadth and height. So length, breadth and height, and a cuboid or a cube has 6 faces. So to find the surface area of the cuboid, so every faces as cuboid has 6 faces and each face is a rectangular shape which has length and breadth. So if we find the surface area or the area of individual face, rectangular, length into breadth, that formula by using, and we add the 6 faces area, then we will get the complete surface area of a cuboid. So this is the first figure. You can see that here it is a cuboid. Okay, so when we open a cuboid face, we get such type of figure. So it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So each and every faces we find the area. So this cuboid face, this is length, this is breadth and this is height. So when you open the box, we get such type of figure. So number 1 figure is area. So area of number 1 is this is height. So length into height, L into H, that is LH. Okay. Then number 2 figure, is length into breadth, that is L into B, LB. Okay. Number 3 figure, here is breadth into height, that is height into breadth, or HB. Then number 4, here this is L, this is H, so L into H. Number 5, this is B, this is H, that is B into H or H into B. Okay. Then number 6 figure, again L into B. So L into B. So we add this area of 6 faces to get the formula for surface area of a cuboid. So surface area of a cuboid means add here LH plus LB plus HB plus again LH, then HB, then LB. So LH, 2LH, LB plus 2 LB, then HB plus 2 HB. So if you find out common 2, then LH plus LB plus HB. That means 2 into length into height, length into breadth, H into breadth. So length into breadth, breadth into height, height into length. So this is the formula. Okay. So here surface area of the complete surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into breadth, breadth into height and height into length. So this is the formula for surface area of a cuboid. Now lateral surface area of a cuboid. Lateral surface means you just leave the top and below, the face of top part and below part. Lateral surface means the 4 sides, 4 faces you have to add. So 4 faces means you leave this and this also. So here L into H plus this is B into H, breadth into height, length into height, breadth into height, plus again here also L into H, then plus B into H. So 2 LH plus 2 BH. That is, if you find 2H, 2 and H, that is length plus breadth. So this is lateral surface area. That is, lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2H into L plus B, length plus breadth. 2 height into length plus breadth. This is lateral surface area. Complete surface area means 2 into length plus breadth, length into breadth, breadth into height, height into length. So this is the complete surface area of a cuboid, but this is lateral surface area. Sometimes it asks the lateral surface area. Okay, so that time you have to apply this formula. Now surface area of a cube. So cube means, you know, a cube is also three-dimensional figure, but it all faces are in square shape. Every face, 6 faces, and every face is in the square shape, and the area of the square, you know, length square, L square, or side by side into side. So here also 6 faces, so we add 6 times. This is cube, and when we open the box this time, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, and each face area is L square. Okay, so your formula what? L square plus L square plus L square 6 times, because it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total your formula is 6 L square. So surface area of a cube is 6 L square. Lateral surface 4 L square. So lateral surface what? We just leave this side, this side. We leave. So lateral surface area of a cube means 4 side L square plus L square plus L square plus L square, that is 4 L square. So complete surface area of a cube is 6 L square. Lateral surface area of a cube is 4 L square. Now complete surface area of a cylinder. The cylinder has also three-dimensional figure, and it is cylinder. This is cylinder, and it is above a circle, below a circle. So when we just cut the cylinder and open, we get a rectangular shape sheet. Okay, when we cut a cylinder, we get a rectangular shape sheet. So surface area. So surface area, complete surface area means, first when we cut the a cylinder, we get such type of figure, square. So here, suppose this is a circle, this is a circle, and this is height. Okay, so height means it is perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r square. So area of the circle is what? Pi r square. And below also it is the area of the circle is pi r square. Okay. So here suppose it is a rectangle. So if it is height, it is length, or height or breadth, it is length. So here L means when we open, that means we get the area, or the area get what? Pi r square. So length into breadth. First this area, lateral surface area. First if you find the lateral surface area, that is length into breadth. So suppose lateral surface area of a cylinder. Lateral surface area of a cylinder means, suppose this much. You just leave up and below, then it is just length into breadth. So length into height, but here length is how much? This perimeter. Okay, length is 2 pi r. So length means what? 2 pi r. So here L equal to 2 pi r, because it is the perimeter of the circle. So perimeter means this is total equal to 2 pi r, perimeter of this circle. Okay, so 2 pi r h. So lateral surface area is formula 2 pi r h. Okay, all formula derived from the rectangle. Okay, so 2 pi r h. But complete surface area. Complete surface area means, you know, first lateral surface area is 2 pi r h. Then complete the top cylinder's top part is pi r square, because it is a circle, and below also that is circle. Okay, so top part is a circle, below is a circle. So 2 pi r square h, circle formula you know, area of the circle pi r square, area of the circle pi r square. So we add this lateral surface area plus top area, then bottom area. So complete surface, first this much is pi r square h plus this area, we find out lateral surface area 2 pi r h, then below again pi r square, not pi r square, then 2 pi r h, then pi r square. Top area, below area, lateral surface means pi r square, 2 pi r h, pi r square. So find out common, pi r square, how much? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, then here common 2 pi r. So 2 pi r common, here r plus 2 pi r got h, r plus h. So complete surface area of a cylinder formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, then lateral surface area is 2 pi r h of a cylinder. Okay, so if you I think you understand how to derive formula from a formula for area of the rectangle and area of the circle. Simple that formula use, no necessary to by heart the formulas. So here lateral surface area means it is length into height. So length it is perimeter of the circle 2 pi r h, that is lateral surface area 2 pi r into h. Then complete surface area means it is pi r square plus lateral surface area pi r square 2 pi r h, then pi r square. Ye pi r square 2 pi r square, then this is 2 pi r h. Here common 2 pi r 2 pi r common, here r plus h. So this is complete surface area, this is lateral surface area of the cylinder. Now let's solve example 4, page number 184. So an aquarium in the form of cuboidal shape. It is an aquarium. It is in the form of cuboidal shape. So its measures, external measures. External measures. It is 80 cm, 30 cm, 40 cm. 80 cm into 30 cm into 40 cm. That means what? It is length, breadth, height. Okay, length is 80 cm, breadth equal to 30 cm, height equal to 40 cm. But it is saying that a color paper cover. Where color paper? Base, 2 side and top. So color is covered with a color paper, that is base, side and back. So base, side and back. Not all. Aquarium means it is not covered top and front also. So base, 2 sides and back side. So we will find the area, surface area of each figure which it is asked. So first, suppose this is aquarium, this is length, it is breadth and it is height. Okay, so length, suppose first base. If it is base means area of base. Area of base equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth equal to 80 cm into 30 cm. That is 8 is 24 cm square. Okay, 2400 cm square. Then area of side face. Side face is what? That is breadth into height. Side face means breadth into height. So breadth into height equal to 30 into 40. 1200 cm square, but it has two side faces. Both side, this side, this side. Two for side face means here we multiply by again 2. That is 2400 cm square. Two sides, 2 into area. Then back. Back means back side again. It is again length into height. Back is again length into height. So length into height equal to length equal to 80, height equal to 40. That is 3200 cm square. So now add this in the total paper needed. Total paper needed is 2400 cm square. 1200 24 again. It is again 2400 cm square plus 3200 cm square. So 2400 again 2400 plus 3200 cm square. So total paper needed 8000 cm square paper needed. So like this, according to question, we have to first understand the question and which actually it is asked lateral surface area or complete surface area. Then you use the formula and try to solve the problem. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In next video I will solve some problems related to the surface area or lateral surface area of the cube, cuboid and a cylinder. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.